Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today we're going to learn how you can set how your shipping and tax displays on your Wix site's cart page. Let's get started. On the Wix editor, go to Pages and Menu on the left. And under Store Pages, select Cart Page. Click on your cart page element and then click on Settings. Now go to the Settings tab. Here, you should see the options shipping and delivery rates as well as tax costs. Tick or untick the checkbox, depending on whether you want these infos to be displayed on your cart page or not. And once you're done, you can then close this window and click on Save to save your changes. If your site's previously been published, you can also click on Publish to publish your changes to your live site as well. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful somehow. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.